They call INFJs rare, mysterious, even magical, but behind that praise is the reason we're abandoned. The same traits that make us magnetic are also the ones that push people away. If you've ever been ghosted or misunderstood right after someone admired you, you're about to see why. Stick with me until the end, and you'll not only learn the 7 reasons INFJs get admired, then ghosted, you'll walk away with the scripts, strategies, and reframes to stop the cycle for good. I've been married 14 years, and trust me, my husband has had to learn every corner of my INFJ wiring. From my deep empathy to my ghost mode shutdowns, he's seen it all. What I'm about to share isn't theory, it's lived. If you've ever had someone say, "You're so wise," but also kind of intense, or if you felt people drift away just when you thought you found your people, stay with me. You're about to realize you're not broken, you're INFJ. Reason number 1, the visionary problem. People admire us because we're visionaries. We see futures, patterns, and potential that others miss. That passion is contagious at first, but here's the problem. Not everyone can handle living with someone who's constantly evolving. We outgrow boxes. Most people stay in them. So after the inspiration wears off, some people back away because they can't or won't keep up. I can't count the times I've been excited about a new project, only to watch people's eyes glaze over like, "Oh no, here she goes again." That mismatch, it quietly pushes people out. Reason number 2, the empathy burnout. INFJs are emotional sponges. We listen, we absorb, we heal. People admire that at first. It feels safe. But over time, our ability to hold so much becomes overwhelming. We burn out, we retreat, and when we disappear to recharge, others take it personally. To them, it looks like rejection. To us, it's survival. It's not that we hate you. We just spiritually feel like someone siphoned 20 pints of soul from our veins. We need Netflix and silence, not another deep talk. Reason number 3, hidden talents that scare people. INFJs often hide their strengths until they can't. We don't like showing off, but eventually people notice the way we pick up skills, predict outcomes, or solve problems differently. At first they admire it, then jealousy, intimidation, or even distrust creeps in. They start asking, "Why didn't you show this before?" as if we deceived them. Instead of bonding, it creates distance. Reason number 4, our solitude is misread. As introverts, we need solitude to function. At first, it looks mysterious, like, "Wow, you're so reflective and deep." But the third time we decline plans because we need to recharge, suddenly we're cold, distant, or don't care anymore. The truth is, solitude is oxygen to us. Without it, we collapse. With it, we thrive. But not everyone can understand that rhythm, so they leave. Reason number 5, the high standards, paradox. INFJs want depth, real soul-level connection. We expect people to care about us the way we care about them. And let's be honest, not everyone can meet us there. Some think we're too much. Others feel like they'll never measure up. And we end up stuck between disappointment and loneliness. It's not that we're impossible. It's that settling feels like betrayal to our soul. Oprah didn't stop at local TV. She built a network that matched her vision. Why should we settle for surface-level friendships when we're wired for meaning and depth? Reason 6, the truth teller's curse. INFJs are known for empathy, but here's the twist. When pushed, we can be brutally honest, not loud, not cruel, but precise, cutting to the heart of what someone doesn't want to face. People admire our insight until it's turned on them. That's when admiration flips into avoidance. We didn't mean to wound, we meant to help, but not everyone is ready for the mirror we hold up. Reason 7, the ghosting defense. And finally, the infamous INFJ door slam. People admire our kindness until they cross a line too many times. Then silence. We ghost. To outsiders, it feels harsh, but to us, it's protection. We don't like confrontation, so disappearing becomes our reset button. It's not about cruelty, it's about peace. And yet, it's one of the main reasons INFJs are admired, then left behind. So if you've made it this far and thought, "Wow, this is me," that cycle of being admired, then ghosted, here's the part most people leave out. You're not powerless in this. Step 1, name the pattern when it happens. Instead of internalizing, I must be too much, try saying, this person admired the gift but wasn't ready for the responsibility of it. That's truth. Step 2, protect your energy up front. You don't have to give everyone your deepest empathy or your biggest vision. Save that for people who prove they can meet you halfway. Step 3, build your circle slowly. Not everyone who claps for you in the beginning is built for the long run, but the ones who stay when you need solitude or who admire your gifts without feeling threatened, those are your people. And step 4, reframe ghosting as pruning. Every time someone exits, it's space being cleared for someone aligned. So instead of seeing being misunderstood as a curse, see it as a filter. Because when the right people see you and stay, you'll realize your intensity was never the problem. It was the path.